Well, there's no doubt that warmer weather is right around the corner. That's clear based on the warm up that we're actually seeing out there today. Tomorrow is the start of March, and March 20th is the first official day of spring. That's why it makes today the perfect day to talk about spring cleaning and mental health. We've got mental health advocate Latrese Kabuya here with us to chat about it. Hey, Latrese, how's it going this morning?
Hey, good. How are you? Happy Monday.
Yes, so good. Happy Monday to you too. So first off, Latrese, why don't you explain to us what the connection is between spring cleaning and mental health?
Okay, I got you. Let's get into this. So spring cleaning, right, is when it's a new season, new beginning, and we're trying to declutter our life. So we are taking or getting rid of anything that doesn't serve us anymore, right? So in our house, in our office, we're, organizing, because what I say is less mess, less stress. So same thing with mental health. We have to get rid of those thoughts, those feelings that don't serve us anymore, and even those people that don't serve us, right? And it is okay. We have to take that time to evaluate what situations we need to get rid of or change, people, thoughts, because your thoughts are your feelings, then your feelings become your behavior. So we need to fix that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I feel like even the physical act of cleaning can sometimes help us with our mental health, just to be a little bit of a distraction there for a moment.
Oh, absolutely. When you're cleaning, I don't know, for me anyway, I just feel like I'm just more powerful, stronger, smarter. I don't know, but it just works. And so I just go with it, right?
Absolutely.
I feel organized.
Yes, same here. And so when we spring clean, what are some of those things that we should be getting rid of mentally?
Wow. One thing when I work with people, something that comes up all the time is that negative talk. Because we know ourselves the best, we are our worst critics. So we have negative talk. We have self-doubt all the time because we know our mistakes. We know our failures. And so we don't believe in ourselves. So we have to get rid of that. And because of that, we sometimes overthink. So we create situations that really don't even exist, right? I'm sure if I take a poll, we can all admit at some point or another, we are all overthinkers, but it doesn't serve us. And it really, really messes with our mental health, with our peace. So we want to get rid of that negative talk, that self-doubt, self-criticism, and give ourselves grace. We give everyone else grace. Let's give ourselves grace.
I'm all about the grace, that's for sure.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And so during this spring cleaning season, what are some of those positives that we can move in to replace those negative things that we took out?
You know what? Affirmation, just that simple. It is so hard when I work with groups and I say, okay, start affirming yourself, start giving self, positive self-talk. That's one of the hardest things that people struggle with. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to just give you an example. Sometimes I'll wake up in the morning and without any makeup, hair sticking straight up, and I'm like, hey, girl, you are amazing. You are going to impact lives and people are going to walk away better because of you. So get your day started. You got this. And just something as simple as that, right, can make a difference in your life. So you have to practice. Start small, because for some people it's very uncomfortable because they've never affirmed themselves. But affirmation is also showing yourself your value, your self-love. So it's vitally important that we do that every single day, because if no one else does it, we are our biggest cheerleader. So say, hey girl, you got this today. You're awesome.
I love that, Latrese. How we talk to ourselves is definitely so important. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you. Always a pleasure. I love it.
We'll see you next time.